Time.
Which grade are you in?
I am in grade 3.
Which school are you in?
I am in Al Farabi school.
Okay, then look at the board and start reading.
What's that on the roof, Dad? I think it's a baby bird. Look, the baby bird can't fly. Perhaps is in danger. Can't the mother bird save it? I think can't. I think it can't.
Okay. This time. Now you have to write is or are. Fast.
I am fast.
Excellent. He a doctor.
He is a doctor.
They my friends.
They are my friends.
Clean the board. Now you have to write have or has.
I have a car.
She a doll.
She has a doll.
Has egg. Has right egg. No has right edge. S. Okay.
And
Wait.
they
Now you have to choose the correct answer keyword. Can you wash or washing the dishes, please?
watch.
Wash. I always go or going to school.
Go.
Go. Read the word.
Go.
Okay. Stay. What did they do?
They escaped. They escaped.
What did she do?
She painted.
What did he do?
He played hockey.
What did they do?
They read magazines.
Excellent. Where was the shower?
The shower was in the bathroom.
Where was the computer?
The computer was in the bedroom.
Where was the comb?
The comb were in the bath in the bedroom.
Where were the buns?
The buns were in the kitchen.
Where were the butts?
The bath were in the kitchen.
Where were the plates?
The plates were in the kitchen.
Where were the towels?
The tower was in the tower were in the bedroom.